Okay, first you put the cup and then you turn off the machine. Turn on the machine. With some time, the water will clean the machine. Then now the machine is very clean and ready to use, and then you remove the protective lid and you put the coffee bean only to the place that is strong. Then you close the lid and you can only put there melted coffee, not the coffee beans. You put on the protective lid, you take the water, you put your new cup. For one small cup, you press that button. For one big cup, you press that button. For two small cups, you press that button, and for two big cups, you press that button. If that sign is showed, that means you need to put some water inside this part. And if you see that symbol, it means to clear the used coffee from that part and put it empty like this. Turn it.